Hello guys, welcome to TechnoJob. Here we are with a new recruitment, that is RBI recruitment 2020 for consultants or analysts, and there are 39 posts. Before going in detail about this recruitment, I would like to tell about our platform, that is TechnoJob. We provide jobs for BE BTech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs and also tech news. So coming to this recruitment, job role is consultant, economist, data analyst, risk analyst, IS auditor, specialist in forensic audit, accounts specialist, system administrator, project administrator or network administrator. Job category: bank jobs. Qualification: BE, BTech, MTech, CA, PG degree. And total vacancies are 13, and experience is experienced people, and salary is 28.2 to 33.6 lakh per annum. Job location is across India, and application starting date is 3rd August 2020 and the last date is 22 August 2020. Coming to this detailed eligibility, educational qualification different for different things. For consultant, it is postgraduate degree in mathematics or applied econometrics, statistics, economics from a recognized Indian university or institute, or foreign university or institute. Experience: 3 years of working experience in the relevant areas. For economist, experience is also 3 years, and for data analyst also experience 5 years experience in the relevant area. And risk analyst is a postgraduate in statistics or applied statistics, and you can go through this all things, and they should have a 5 years of experience. IS auditor should also have a 5 years of experience in the relevant area. And specialist in forensic audit is CA or ICWA or MBA finance or PGDM. Experience is 5 years of experience in the relevant area. Account specialist, CA or ICWA, experience is also 5 years in the relevant area. And for system administrator or project administrator or network administrator, experience is also of 5 years. And here we have a note: post graduation is an essential qualification. For general category OBC, minimum of 55% marks, and for SC ST PWBD, in case vacancies are reserved for them, minimum of 50% of marks in the postgraduate degree examination is required. And graduation: for general or OBC category, minimum of 60% marks, and for SC ST PWBD category, 50% marks in the degree examination. And coming to this age limit, for consultant, economist, data analyst, risk analyst, IS auditor, specialist in forensic audit or account specialist, 30 to 40 years. And coming to this system administrator or project administrator or network administrator, 25 to 35 years. And coming to this relaxation in the upper age limit: 5 years for SC ST category, 3 years for OBC category, 10 years for PWD candidates, 13 years for OBC, 15 years for SC ST, others as per government rules. Selection will be through preliminary screening or shortlisting by a screening committee by the following interview. And application fees: for SC ST PWBD or SC ST candidates, 100 rupees. For general OBC PWBD general OBC candidates, 600. And all the interested and eligible candidates can apply for this position online at RBI Bank website from August 3rd to 22nd August 2020 up to 6 p.m. If you want to apply, please do click here. Then you move to an official website. So you can search in this the particular post you want to apply. Then you'll move to that, and it will be asking your personal or professional details as per required. Please fill it out, and you'll get a received mail. Then you can go through the mail. So that this is the way you have to apply for the job. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.